Alright, so it looks like the instructions are pretty simple and straightforward in the end, if you bother to read them, and there's not a whole lot to read. So you grab this thing that comes in there, and it's already filled with something like that, and it comes closed like that. So you remove this gently, trying not to destroy the whole thing, and then place it in there. Now this part here has a hole, as we noticed earlier, and this thing has a contact. So once you remove this, those 3 pins will contact with this and start the machine. And that's as far as we've gotten so far. So that looks like it fits perfectly in there, and it will start working its magic, ridding the house, or wherever you decide to put this, of those pesky and very, very annoying insects.
Likey